Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And it's now good evening to all of you. Now, today we will start the probability. So, before going to the particular definition, we will see what is a probability. The probability is basically the chance, probable it will happen or not. It's just the measure of uncertainty, you can say. The measure of uncertainty, it's a very drastic thing that we are not certain something and we have to give a numerical value to that phenomenon. Even though sometimes we are doing about the weather forecast, that maybe there is a rain today due to this reason, or maybe not. For example, you are being a student, you choose any course and you said, I have put my effort, a lot of time on that. So most probably I'll get, it's a most likelihood that I will get the A in that. Let's say it's your expectation for that, but still you're not certain. So whenever we have a such kind of phenomenon, which is not tends to, which can be tends towards the certainty, but having some ambiguity, the chance to be happened is maybe most likely to be it will or it will not. It may be or maybe not. So whenever we are not clear, it seems to be, you can call it a probability. So mathematicians and statisticians develop some sort of numerical value needs to be assigned to that uncertainty. So the numerical measure of measuring that uncertainty is known as the probability, you can say. So now we have to see one simple examples. It's like that. You can see it on the screen. As weather forecast की है, वो ये आपकी as a course वाली है और एक आपके business की है. For example, as you watch the news every day, you heard forecasting saying that there is a 70% chance of the rain tomorrow. It's a weather forecast said, but maybe it's not happened in the next very day, or it maybe happened day after tomorrow, like that. So you people are not certain, but this number 70% is due to some very reasons they have been assigned to them. So these numbers comes, the forecasting is come basically on some model building priorly to that, or some prior knowledge. That is the, you can say, likelihoods of such events, okay, which is called the probability. Now, as you take a new course and you may be wondering about the likelihood, the chance, the probability. Likelihood means the chance, the probability of passing or, God forbid, failing the course. So if you have put your effort, certainly you will be more certain about the passing that course in a good grade. If you did not give some time, or maybe your IQ level is not that much to comply with the expectation of the course content, then maybe there is a chance of the failing of that. So we can say like that. The third is example, as we plan to enter a new business, an expert in the field tells you that the probability of making a first-year profit in this business is only 0.4, or there's just a 40% chance. Even though you have the best four-factor of production, the land, labor, capital, organization is the best equipped, but still you don't have the full chance of getting 100% profit in that. So this is again based on some prior knowledge, the likelihood, events which already had occurred in the same scenario. So experts let you know, na? You cannot, because you just first enter in that. So obviously sometimes it's the direct measure like that. We just observe something and say, this is the subjective approach. We say, oh, today I'm not expert of the weather forecasting, but I will say, season is like that. It's the you can say maybe this is the very sunny today, or it will be 40 temperature, or it will be 50 temperature, it will be 42. These are just the probabilities, whatever the personal opinion, you can say. So it's not the certain, but anyhow, we will calculate the probability with some certain measures, with some particular definition and formulas working behind that. It's just the concept. Look at the probability is a numerical index of the likelihood that a certain event will occur. Kindly do note it up in your notebooks because it's a little bit technical. They said numerical index of the likelihood. Okay. So the numerical index, the likelihood mean, I said again, it's a probability basically itself, right? The chance. Sorry, excuse me. So the index definition, kindly do write it here in your copies. Index here means a number such as a ratio. Now the probability is always lying. You can see the number line over here, fine, 0 to 1. And certainly in between that, it's a 0.5. So 0 means the event is very, very unlikely to be occurred. Nothing is in the favor of that. As I told you that it's an index. Index matlab ke ratio. Ratio matlab something has to be in the favor of the event and divided by the total. This is the basic definition of the probability. So in this case, unlikely means nothing has to be in that favor. So you will get the 0 event in that favor. So 0 over total, you will get 0. That's it. Then maybe there is maybe it happen or maybe not happen like this on the basis of some experiment. The occurrence of the event is very as likely as it is unlikely. So there is a 50% chance that will be occur or not. So that's why you got the probability 0.5. And the last, you can see the extreme one. The event is almost certain to occur.
Thank you very much for watching my video.